and you can actually change the brightness. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, so let's switch it up. So today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to assemble a ring light because I had a hard time doing it. Yes, so let's get right into it. So the first thing we're going to assemble is the stand. So I got this ring light from Lenny Ventures. You can order yours from there. So it comes with a 2-meter tripod or stand. So the first thing you have to do is the base. Yeah, I'm lacking the word. So you have to, the base, I hope you understand. So you're going to get this knob here. You're going to loosen it a little bit. As you're loosening it, you can feel these lower stands loosening. So you're going to loosen, then yeah, just like that, and boom, it is ready to stand on its own. And as you can see here at the top, there is a black knob. You just pop it out. Poof. And you're left with this. So we have to make our stand longer, so you're going to be using these 2 knobs here. So you just loosen them like that. This other one like that, and then you can pull your tripod. Yeah, it's pretty long, like so yeah, it's really long. So we're going to adjust it a little bit up to there where you can see, and then when you adjust it, make sure that you, what do you say, you tighten the knobs. Yeah, there. So you tighten your knobs, your 2 knobs, so that it doesn't, see, like that. Good. And your stand is fine. Gosh, I feel like it's a little bit long. Let's make it short. Yeah, because I'm short. So like that. So the next part, we're going to assemble the ring light. Let's get the ring light. So it comes with this bag, and mine is a 12-inch ring light. And they gave me a free notebook. Thank you. So this is the ring light, as you can see. So we're going to open it. Let's make sure we're opening it the right way. God, it won't open. Oh, you won! You won! And here we go. So this is how it looks like. So there are several things inside here. So let's see. So first things first, we're going to take the ring light itself. This way. And then you're going to find another thing. I don't know the name. It's just a thing. So this thing, you're going to fix it here. Yeah, down here. So fix it like that until it is tight. Okay, and as you can see, it is flexible because of these. It is flexible. It has like round knob that you can rotate this thing with. This way you can move your ring light like this any direction that you want. So you don't want your ring light to be doing like that when you place your phone, so you have to tighten here this knob. Make sure it is tight before you place your phone, or your phone will start dancing. You don't want that. So yeah, you're gonna get it up like that, and then here comes the phone holder, and this phone holder is actually flexible. You can see you can yeah, it's flexible, like you can turn it in any direction. So this phone holder is going to come here at the middle here. make sure it is tight. Yes, and here, as you can see, it's adjustable. Yeah, like how awesome is that? So next, we're going to place our ring light on the stand. So be very careful. You don't want to let it go before it is formed. That way, and I feel like let's shorten it a little bit. Up to there. So if you want this to come in this direction, yeah, like that. And make sure, see, the knob here makes it easy for the ring light to move in any direction. So make sure, if you want it to stay straight, make sure you tighten the knob there. So let's make this thing work. So we're going to fix this. Oh no, I'm so far away from my socket. And then put this in your source of, what do you say, light or something? So after you place it here, let's get this thing working. Let it go. And yeah! It works. Ooh la la. And you can actually change the brightness. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. So let's switch it on. So, as you can see here at the back, it's touch technology. So it's on. Okay. And then you decide which mode you want. It comes in 3 levels of brightness, and then you can increase the brightness or you can reduce the brightness. Like, how cool is that? So let's see how it does. So this way, let's shut it off. So let's start. First thing, it's on. Second thing, yeah, is the light too bright for you? Let's reduce the brightness. Is it too dull for you? Let's increase the brightness. Like, as good as that. And that is not all, guys. It comes with a Bluetooth shutter. Yeah. So that's it. This one is for the phone when you connect, and it actually comes with the remote. Yeah, so I forgot to buy some batteries for my remote, so that is why I'm not using my remote. But since it's touch technology, oh god, why is it? Yeah, like, who needs a remote? Like, who needs batteries? I hope you enjoyed it all. So how about we film using our remote? Just a few. Let's set these up real quick. So guys, if you love the tutorial, don't forget to comment down below. Make sure you share the video, tell a friend, help a sis, help a brother, and let's meet on my other tutorials. I know this tutorial was very random, but it's because I had a hectic time trying to assemble my ring light. So I thought maybe I could help somebody who is having trouble. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button, where I'm going to start posting real soon, like more content up here. So you don't want to miss all that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button.